I might cry a little bit, but it's okay.
I wish I was both-handed, cause this here is overrated.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video. How is everybody doing? Oh, wait.
My name is Jeff.
You see the title. You see what we doing. Nervous about it, but it's gonna be fun. Right now, I'm just recording this as sober me, and I have to go somewhere. So when I get back, I'll be drunk. And this is just me before. Like my little accent. I am so happy with how my first video went. I got so much good feedback, and it made me cry a little bit. This is a different type of happiness when people give you good feedback about something that you're doing that you love to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just different. Probably like 1050 right now. If you are interested in watching me make a fool of myself, continue watching. I'm not doing that.
No, God, please, no.
And I'm not. Okay, maybe so.
Got him.
One eternity later.
Alright, start the time loading. We got the food going, baby. This is... Oh. I asked for strawberry sauce and ketchup, and she gave me only strawberry sauce. Last time I talked to you, this is embarrassing, but it's me, and if you don't like me, then bye. It's 5:16. A little food break. Sorry, my hands bump. I'm gonna prove something to y'all. I can really do this.
See how you are. You just have to say that you're fine.
I had a lot of compliments. I only had eyelashes and lipstick on. Made me feel like a boss.
Boy, if you don't.
I really hope this is entertaining for you guys. That's only been 3 minutes I've been recording. It's okay. And I really can't believe I ate that without ketchup, because if you know me, you know what? Like sauce. Sandwich, but I don't know if it me at all. I'm gonna do what I gotta do to make my dreams come true. This is real thick.
That's what she said.
I'm sorry I didn't get drunk on camera. It was just the way things worked out. I couldn't.
Yeah.
I don't know if it me at all.
The quicker we do this, the quicker I can go to bed. I already did my eyebrows. They look okay. It makes it even more like special when people say things to you when they don't owe you anything. I'm really like, my brain is fried. Okay. I want y'all to know that I'm really gonna try my best with this. And when I'm not drunk. Sometimes it doesn't come out drunk. Boom. No. It's so thick.
That's what she said.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So I cannot find my regular foundation right now.
Dabbing it on with
Go ahead. Oh, Lord have mercy.
I'm really tired.
You ever go night-night, nigga? You ever go night-night, nigga?
I wish you guys could smell it. Chocolate is all I have to say.
Chocolate!
It's like daylight outside because it's so light.
How you doing?
Do you see that? That's just too much. My channel is gonna be real big. A lot of effort and hard work and determination into this. Drunken Halo Eye. Just know that there are people all around the world. You just have to put yourself out there and do what you want to do. Make sure you love it or loving what you want to do. And just because something doesn't work the first time or somebody says it's not a good idea the first time or doesn't mean it isn't. It's just not for that person. I genuinely appreciate every single person who watched my first video and is watching this video. I just want to put a smile on people's face. I want to be able to brighten someone's day. Because I know how it feels to feel stuck inside your own feelings. Just stuck and not even realize.
1 hour later.
I have a confetti thing for my birthday that I never bought. To celebrate how good I feel about my first video and to celebrate the fact that I actually put out a first video.
Congratulations! Oh yeah.
And I'm really pissed. Ready?
Congratulations! Oh yeah.
I'm so pissed. So I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, I hope you comment. The sun is completely out at this point. I love you guys. I'll see you next time.